Welcome to our channel. Today in this video you will learn that how we can create this beautiful number sphere animation in Blender with the help of the geometry node and shader editor to apply this emissive materials. So how we can create this beautiful animation. So let's start the video. Before starting this video you should check out the Patreon where you find a lot of procedural stuff. Now let's start. Open the Blender and here I am in geometry node workspace, and here by pressing Shift A I add any object, say plane, and just hit the new button in the geometry node to apply the geometry node tree. And here I delete this, and here I put the node which is the icosphere, and put this mesh into the geometry of the group output. And here I change the settings. Here I increase this subdivision level up to the 3. Beautiful. Now here I use the node which is the instance on point node and place it here, and here I create a collection of the number which I use in the instances, and here I drag this into the geometry node workspace and put this instance into the instance on point. And here I hit the separate children, reset children, and also use hit the pick instances. Now you can see that the numbers in these collections applied to the points in this icosphere in using the instance on point. And now here I change some settings. I rotate these numbers along the x-axis to the 90 degree in my case, and here you can see, and also decrease the size of these numbers up to the point 200. Now these are looking nice numbers. Now I apply some emission material. So for that, here in geometry node I use the node which is the set material and put it here and create the new material, and here I select the newly created material and also enter into the rendered view, and here you can see I set the world space to the 0 strength. Nice. Now here I create the material for these numbers. Here I decrease this to the fully black, and here open the emission panel, and here I select this color and also increase the strength up to the 8. Now these are looking nice glowing numbers. Beautiful. And now I want, when I run this timeline or a simulation, then these numbers are randomly picked from these collections. So for that, here I use this instance index to create this. So for that, here I search for the node which is the random value, and use this into the instance index, and here you can see all the numbers have the same value. So here I increase this minimum value, something like 10 in my case, and here I back to the frame 0, and here I hover this minimum value and press I to insert the keyframe, and here jump to the 150 frame, and here I increase the number up to the 50, and again here I insert I to insert the keyframe. Now if I run the simulation, then you can see the numbers are totally randomly picked by this collection having a instances index. So you can see the beautiful randomly generated numbers. Nice. Now I add the camera to the scene. So for that, here I set the view. I think this is looking nice in my case, and I add the camera and press Ctrl Alt 0 to pick this view and also fit this number sphere into the view. This is looking nice. Now here I rotate this sphere along z-axis and back to the frame 0, and here I rotate to find some sufficient rotation axis. I think start from here and hit I to insert the keyframe, and jump to the 150 frame, and then again rotate along Z axis. I think from here this is looking beautiful, and hit I to insert another keyframe. So this is the nice randomly picked number sphere with the help of the geometry node and the shader editor. And if I run the simulation, then you can see the nice glowing number spheres. Thanks for watching.